Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mountfall Roblox. First, open Roblox and use the search bar to find Mountfall. Make sure to select the official game from the results. Once you've found it, click to join a server. You'll then load into the game world, ready to start your journey. It's a simple process to get into the action and begin exploring. Once you're in Mountfall, mastering movement is key. Use the WASD keys on your keyboard to navigate your character through the environment. The spacebar allows you to jump, which is essential for traversing terrain and avoiding hazards. To interact with items or non-player characters, simply click on them with your mouse. These basic controls will help you explore effectively. The Mountfall user interface provides vital information. You'll see your health, stamina, and inventory clearly displayed on screen. To progress, seek out non-player characters with an exclamation mark above their heads. These indicate available quests. Completing these quests is crucial for gaining experience, earning valuable rewards, and advancing your character's abilities within the game world. Combat in Mountfall is straightforward. Click on enemies to attack using your currently equipped weapon. As you defeat foes and complete quests, you'll earn resources to upgrade your gear and skills, making your character stronger. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Continuously improving your character is essential for tackling tougher challenges and exploring new areas of Mountfall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.